Yeah, welcome everyone. So, welcome to another class of HTML. So, in this video, we'll be talking about introduction to HTML. And what does HTML mean? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language, and it describes the structure of the web page. Okay, it talks about how you want your web page to look like. So, it's your HTML you use to know how your web page will look like. So that's why you have to put much effort in your HTML. So today we'll be talking about a simple HTML document. How does HTML document look like? So we're about to find out. So let us open our TrepEdit from our okay. So when you open this, you see workspace and the rest. So click on your workspace. Okay, we created a folder before now, introduction. So open the folder and we created a file which is introduction. Click on it. Alright, so this is our HTML. Now the very first thing you have to do is your declaration. Open your tag, which is less than. That's the sign for opening tag. Alright, so in capital letter doc type. Sorry. First thing is your exclamation mark, then your doc type. Okay, this doc type is talking about which type of document are you creating, and it's HTML, right? So you click on HTML. So you close your tag. Then the next thing is you open your HTML. Closing it is the greater than sign. So as you can see, we have opening HTML and we have the closing HTML. So click on your enter. So after your HTML, you create your heading. Yes. So open head. So you close your head. Yeah. So the next thing is our title. So open title. Close it. So what should be our title? Let's click title should be my first my first title. Okay. So after title, we can create our body. Okay, so you click after the heading, click enter. So create a body. So now close your body. Now inside your body, you find your paragraph and your header. H1, H2, H3. Okay. So let's open our H1. Now, difference between H1, H2, H3 is that H1 is larger than the other ones. Okay, so this is our H1. So let's put my first heading. First heading paragraph P1. So my first paragraph. Okay. So after this, you can save. I've told you where to save. Click on this to save. Then click on this to play. So let us save. saved. So let us see if what we have done is correct. So let me zoom it in. As you can see, my first heading, my first paragraph. Now, my first heading is my H1. As you saw in the place, it's big, right? The paragraph is the first paragraph. Let's click it again. So, heading, my first heading, my paragraph, first paragraph. So, this is a simple HTML document. Thank you.